Are you tired of being the nice guy who finishes last? It's time to unleash your inner masculinity and make her go gaga for you. In this video, we'll show you how to charm her socks off, leave her mesmerized, and win her heart with humor and irresistible charisma. Hey there, fellas. Are you ready to crack the code on making that special lady weak in the knees for you? It's time to tap into your masculine charm and sweep her off her feet. Now, we're not talking about outdated, macho stereotypes here. We're all about embracing your inner swagger and using humor to conquer her heart, unleashing the masculinity within. Ladies love a man who exudes confidence, knows what he wants, and can make them laugh. But wait. Don't confuse this with arrogance or overconfidence. There's a fine line between being confident and being a total show-off. Our mission is to help you find the perfect balance that makes her heart skip a beat every time you're around. The power of humor. All right, gents, let's get real for a moment. Humor is the secret sauce that can turn an ordinary encounter into an extraordinary one. Women adore men who can make them laugh. So start honing those witty one-liners and charming anecdotes. Crack jokes, share funny stories, and let your natural humor shine through. Trust us, she won't be able to resist your infectious laughter. But remember, it's essential to be genuine and authentic in your approach. Don't force humor. Instead, let it flow naturally. Sometimes, a well-timed pun or a clever comeback can leave a lasting impression. Your secret weapon: a charming smile. Did you know that a smile is the universal language of attraction? Flash those pearly whites, and you're already one step closer to winning her over. A warm smile not only makes you more approachable, but also shows that you're a positive and joyful person. Who wouldn't want to be around someone like that? So, whenever you're with her, flash that $1,000,000 smile and watch as she becomes enamored by your charismatic charm. Remember, a smile is contagious. The more you smile, the more she'll smile back. And that's the first step to creating an unbreakable connection. Dress to impress. Hey, don't get us wrong. We're not asking you to wear a three-piece suit or designer labels every day. But dressing well can make a world of difference in how she perceives you. Put some effort into your style. Find clothes that fit your personality and make you feel confident. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Confidence is key. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in and keeps them hooked. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and others will believe in you too. Hold your head high, stand tall, and walk with purpose. Avoid slouching or fidgeting. Instead, exude the aura of a man who knows where he's going. Remember, confidence doesn't mean you're invincible or perfect. It means you're comfortable with your flaws and imperfections, which makes you even more relatable and endearing. Show genuine interest. Now, this one's crucial, guys. Pay attention to her when she talks. Really listen. Ask questions about her interests, passions, and dreams. Showing genuine interest in her life demonstrates that you care about her as a person, not just as a romantic pursuit. Engage in meaningful conversations. Small talk can be fun, but if you want to leave a lasting impression, dive into deeper conversations. Share your thoughts, experiences, and aspirations with her. Vulnerability can be a powerful tool in forming emotional connections. Remember, it's a two-way street. Be open to sharing and listening. Trust us, she'll appreciate your efforts to understand her on a deeper level. Be a man of action. Enough with the idle chatter. It's time to take the lead. Plan exciting and memorable dates that showcase your creativity and thoughtfulness. Don't wait for her to make the first move. Show her that you're proactive and willing to put effort into the relationship. Surprise her. Everyone loves surprises, especially when they're heartfelt. From spontaneous weekend getaways to a thoughtful gift on an ordinary day, surprises keep the spark alive and show her how much you care. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. She'll love the effort you put into making her feel special. Gentlemen, the key to making a girl go crazy and obsessed with you lies in embracing your masculinity with humor and charisma. Show her the genuine, confident, and caring person you are, and she'll be head over heels for you. Remember, it's not about being someone you're not or playing games. The secret lies in being authentic, engaged, and proactive in building a meaningful connection. So, go ahead and charm the socks off her, one laugh and smile at a time. Let your inner alpha shine and watch as she falls for the real you. Happy, conquering gentleman.